Introduction to Fantasy and Dystopian Literature, All Summer in a Day. Q3 Dystopian and Fantasy Literature. Ignite. Has it occurred to you since reading The Lottery that the guy who has the black box and gives out the black dots is like Thanos? Chunk. Written directions. Read today's goal. Out to self. Warm up your brain by thinking in your mind about the entrance ticket. Work time presentation. Read All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury and post on discussion board below. Chew on it. Today's goal. Students will get a general sense of the science fiction genre, exploring dystopian and futuristic topics. An introduction to our featured text. Entrance ticket. Where have you seen the word dystopia or utopia? What do you think it means? How can fiction help us understand the future? Work time. Definition. Science fiction, a genre of fiction in which the stories tell about science and tech of the future. Definition. Dystopia. An imaginary place where people are not treated fairly. The condition of life is extremely bad, from oppression or terror. Technology has made things worse. Definition. Utopia. Any real or imaginary society, place, state, etc. considered to be perfect or ideal. Okay, read aloud. All Summer in a Day. Open here. Required reading. All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. Or audio version. All Summer in a Day. Exit ticket. 3 to 5 sentences total. Required for points. Answer all discussion board questions. Q1. Why was Margot treated so differently from the other children? Margot was treated differently because. Q2. What was unusual, weird, or significant about the setting in the story? Something unusual about the setting is. And Q3. What can the story teach us about people in general? The story can teach us that people have fun, students.